As we start the second period, is Harrell for the Chargers. Is Harrell, Camus, Dave Deck, Brandon Jesse, and Todd Smizer. For Tustin Lubbock, Beilstein, Ryder, Gentry Moore,
and Fletcher.
Shot is up and good by John Camus. Beilstein banks it and it won't go. Foul on Harrell. Let's see, I believe that's at least two, maybe three. No, first personal foul on Harrell. I thought he had at least two.
I think he has had at least two or three. It's just the first one that's actually been called.
Beilstein again, good from the line. 18-11 Tustin. Make it 19-11. Beilstein perfect from the line.
David has 11 points so far in the ballgame.
Harrell gives it to Camus. Camus to Jesse. Man-to-man still by the Tillers. Camus looks down low for Jesse, out top to Harrell. Harrell guarded by Lubbock. Jesse against Clayton. He beat him last time down. Harrell drives, bounce pass, shot is up, and no good by Deck. Rebound, and the Tillers have it. Lubbock picked up by Deck, looks to Clayton. Now he has it knocked away. Nice try by Jay Deck. Ball will remain with Tustin. Checking into the game for Edison, Greg Miller, and Harrell will have a seat.
Good defensive pressure by the Edison Chargers. Nice hustle on their end.
Fletcher sits down. Gentry Moore back into the game. Gentry Moore now, he's out at the point. There's the lob and a foul on Jesse. Tough call that time against Jesse.
Yeah, that is a tough call. It looked like he had good defensive position inside. Really didn't touch him all that well. It's like I talked about before. You have to have consistency out of the referees. If they're going to call it that close the whole game, do it the whole game. That way the players know how much they can get away with and how much they can't. So hopefully we're going to see the referees be that consistent all game.
And Thomas Clayton makes his first free throw of the game and his first point of the game. 20-11 Tillers, 6:43 to go. We're in the quarterfinals. Second one is off and no good, taken by Smizer. Deck gives it to Camus. Camus looks down low to Miller. Miller with it, picks up his dribble. Camus looking for Jesse, gives it to Jesse. Jesse lays it in.
6 points in the game so far for Brandon Jesse.
Beilstein guarded by Deck. Lubbock picked up by Miller. And Edison goes back to man-to-man. Beilstein for three, it's good.
14 points for David Beilstein. He's off to a big game so far.
23-13. Ball knocked away. Nice play by Gentry Moore. 5:51 to go here in the first half. And Derek Roach comes in, and Lubbock has a seat.
Good job by Lubbock. He did what they put him in to do, ball handle. He does a good job of it every time he's in.
Jesse for three. Hits the rim, bounces out. And a good rebound by Beilstein over to Gentry Moore. Up court to Thomas Clayton. And nice block by Brandon Jesse. Foul on Greg Miller. Greg Miller coming around on the double team with Brandon Jesse. And Clayton will go to the line.
There's a terrific block inside by Brandon Jesse. Must have gotten 4 or 5 feet up off the ground to block that. But then a silly foul on the part of Edison coming around on the double team. Just basically slapped Thomas Clayton right across the arm there. Gonna send him to the free throw line where he is a pretty good free throw shooter.
Now Brandon Jesse leaves the game. And into the game, Paul Barron. I didn't see how many fouls it was on Brandon, but he's going to have a seat with 5:35 to go.
I believe it's a second personal.
24-13. And Clayton makes the second one, 3 of 4 from the line. Miller, Tustin goes to full court press. Paul Barron gives it to Miller, back to Barron. They look low. Ball is thrown away. Derek Roach to Beilstein. Tip pass to Gentry Moore. Moore puts it in. A perfect fast break by the Tillers. And there's a whistle blocking on Derek Roach. Again, Bob, looked like pretty good defense.
Yeah, he was shuttling his feet right beside the offensive player with the ball. Not one of those touch and go calls. Are you going to call it? Yeah, you're going to call the contact, or you're going to let the contact go. This referee's going to call that kind of contact. And it's like, it's just so the players know. If that's going to be called, then it's got to be called throughout the entire game. That way, Derek Roach now knows that kind of contact will not be allowed.
Dave Deck misses the front end of a 1-and-1. 5:12 to go. Tustin by 14, 27-13. Beilstein hands it to Gentry Moore. Now, Chargers look like they may drop back into a zone, or at least a loose man-to-man. Pass down low to Beilstein. What a shot! A left-handed baseline shot by Beilstein.
That just shows you the true athleticism of David Beilstein. He's able to change hands in midair and put that shot in left-handed.
Roach with a good defensive pressure. Deck gives it to Miller. Down low to Camus. His jumper is perfect. And that time the Chargers break the Tillers press. 29-15. Derek Roach looks to go to Ryder. Ryder bounce pass to Clayton. And I think Clayton pushed off. I think that time he did push off. Good call by the officials.